Good day, my dear learners. Today, we are going to talk about science that will help you to discover a lot of things. In this lesson, we are discussing what is the difference between concave and convex mirror, explaining how these two types of mirror can produce different kinds of images, and the last, the children will learn how concave and convex lenses refract light. First, let's discuss how concave and convex lenses refract light and form images.
When light is refracted in a convex lens, will cause the parallel rays to converge and move inwards to a finite focus, while concave lenses will cause the opposite, forming the rays out, called diverging rays that will never converge.
Concave. The example of concave mirror or lens are the mirror we can see in convenience store that we usually take pictures.
A convex mirror is a mirror with reflective surface on the curved shape's outer side. The example of this is a car mirrors and security cameras.
A real image is formed by the actual intersection of reflected rays. It is formed in front of the mirror and is always upside down relative to the object. It can be projected on a screen placed in front of the mirror.
A virtual image is always formed behind the mirror and is always upright relative to the object. There is no actual intersection of reflected rays, but if you extend the rays as if they came from behind the mirror, there is an intersection. Note that this intersection is not formed by the reflected rays but by the extended rays. Hence, virtual images cannot be projected on a screen. Real and virtual images may be bigger than, the same as, or smaller than the object.
As you move the spoon toward you, the image becomes larger. Beyond a certain point, your image becomes upright when you look at the side that bulged out or the convex side of the spoon. Your image was smaller and upright.
Inverted image in a mirror does not reverse left and right. This means that your left side appears as your right side in a mirror.
The real-life uses of lenses is camera, telescope, microscope, flashlight, magnifying lens, eyeglasses, and projector.
Now that we are done discussing the lessons, it's time for interactive questions. You will identify if the statement is true or false. You have 5 seconds to answer. Statement number 1.
Eyeglasses is a type of concave mirror.
If your answer is true, then you are correct. Statement number 2.
Real image is always upright relative to the object.
If your answer is false, then you are correct. Statement number 3.
Concave mirror is a parallel rays to converge and move inwards to finite focus.
If your answer is false, then you are correct. Statement number 4.
A virtual image is always formed behind the mirror and there is no actual intersection of reflected rays.
If your answer is true, then you are correct. And for the last statement,
A mirror that we can see in the convenience store is one of the example of convex mirror.
if your answer is false, then you are correct.
That's all, my dear learners. I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Take note, give brilliance to life by learning science while discovering on how our world achieves its uniqueness and beauty. Thank you for watching.